This one's especially for you, Kai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's a one back there. 21, 22, 3, 4, 5, and down here 26. Let's do a pan of them all. Nice, huh? Look at that. 26 morning glories on my tiny little city balcony garden. Woo! How about that? Let's see this one here. Ta-da!